The radio player is the heart of your website. It's not just an audio widget, it defines the whole experience, whether people stay, explore, and come back, or leave after a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you what to look for in a WordPress radio player and how to choose the one that actually works in real life. A lot of plugins call themselves radio players, but many are just basic audio blocks. They stop when someone clicks a link, they don't show song information, and they feel fragile on mobile. And the truth is simple. If listeners have to restart the stream every time they browse your website, they will just leave. So, what matters? First, playback stability. Your player must work consistently on desktop and on mobile, especially iOS Safari and Android Chrome. Mobile browsers have strict rules. No autoplay without interaction and different behavior when the screen locks or when user switches up. If the player only works on your laptop in a visible tab, it's not a real solution. Second, continuous playback. Radio is about flow. Your player should stay available while the user navigates, usually as a sticky player or persistent header or a controlled pop-up, so the audio keeps running while they explore shows, schedule news, and podcasts. This one feature alone can change how long people stay on your site. Third, metadata support. A good radio player should show what's playing, song title, artist, and ideally artwork. It gives context and makes the station feel live. This depends on two things. Your streaming provider must expose metadata and the player must read it correctly and refresh in real time. Without metadata, the experience feels empty and generic. Fourth, performance and maintenance. Avoid players that load heavy scripts on every page or slow down your website. Also look at maintenance. A player that isn't updated regularly becomes a risk. Browser change, policy change, and outdated players break, often without warning. Finally, think beyond the live stream. A modern station is rarely live only. You'll likely have podcasts, replays, show pages, maybe playlists and archives. Your player should fit into that bigger ecosystem, so listeners can move between live radio and on-demand content without confusion. In ProRadio, the player was built specifically around these requirements. It supports continuous playback, metadata handling, archives, and more advanced features like charts automation. Even if you're using different systems, the checklist stays the same. Stable playback, continuous audio, real metadata, good performance, and a strong integration with your content strategy. Choosing the right player is not just a cosmetic choice, it directly affects how professional your station feels and how long people stay. Test before you commit and let the user experience decide. In the next video, we'll look at how to add dynamic schedule to your website. Thank you for watching and see you soon on Pro.radio.